Hi, this is Chinnu Chandramandalu. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to know different words related to feelings in English and Odia language. Word treasure, Sabda Bhandara. Joy, Harsa. Love, Prema. Faith, Viswasa. Pleasure, contentment, Santosha. Sorrow, Bishada. Lust, Kama, Lobha. Anger, Krodha. Jealousy, Irsa. Fear, Bhaya. Fearless, Nirbhaya. Hate, Ghruna. Shame, Laja. Shameless, Nirlaja. Cry, Krandana. Antipathy, Vidvesa. Fascination, Moha. Doubt, Sandeha. Fragrance, Saurabha. Soft, Komala. Grief, Shoka. Pain, Vyatha Bajantrana. Despair. I extend my heartfelt thanks for watching this video. Dhanyavad. I hope all of you will like this video, share and comment on this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for next notification. Thank you very much.